Hi there, today I'm unboxing a Wi-Fi LED strip kit. So this particular lighting kit comes with a 5-meter LED strip. So what's quite cool about it is it's compatible with both Amazon Alexa and Google Home. It's by a company called ENER-J. Let's have a quick look at the packaging. It's quite nice, glossy packaging there. You can actually see the LED strip there. Got some details at the back here. Specification, diagram, how things are connected. What's quite nice, you can actually control this from your Android device as well. So you can change the colors, turn it on and off. Okay, so let me pull out these pins that have secured this closed and let's see what you get in the packaging. Okay, so I've removed the pins from the packaging, so it should just pop open like so. Got the instructions here for the product. Let's have a quick flick through that. Okay, all in English there. And the other side as well, all in English, so that's good. Actual product itself. The LED strip here. Let's put that to the side. Put these to the side. Okay, the actual Wi-Fi connector here and the power lead. Okay, let's check these things out. So, the cable itself, UK standard, fused plug, connector there. Build quality seems okay from what I'm feeling at the moment. Cable length, that's more than enough. Plus you've got this as well. Let's take that one off. Okay, ample cable there, and obviously this plugs into that. And this end plugs into your strip here. So you've got the pins there. And there's normally an arrow, so if I can just show this arrow there and just there, and that plugs straight in there. You just push it in, simple as that, to connect together. Okay, let me show you next how to put the ENER-J app on your Android device. So let's go to our QR code reader. Get the actual instructions, and on there's a QR code just there for Android. It's picked it up, takes you to the Play Store. That's the app. Hit install. Okay, so it's installed now. Let's click open. App starts up. Let's click register. You have a choice of doing it via your mobile number or your email address. So let me put in my details and let's register. Okay, so I've registered with the app and I've been presented with this screen now. So we can add a new device. So with our light strip, let's plug it in. So it's powered on. You can see the colors come on. So we need to add this in. So the first thing you need to check is if it's actually in a flashing state. So this particular light here. So if I click here, lighting devices, and it will say power on the light and confirm that the light rapidly blinks. So it's not blinking rapidly at the moment. So let's just hold on to it for a moment. And now you see it rapidly blinking. So if I now click here, it's asking me for my Wi-Fi password. So let me just type that in off camera. Okay, I've typed it in and now it's attempting to connect. Okay, it's stopped flashing on there. Obviously something must be going on now. It's powered on. Again, the blue light here. And there you go, it's sped up, so it's connected. So there you have it, Wi-Fi RGB light strip. I'll just click done. And let me show you it in use. Power it off, power it on. Got a color option there. You can change the brightness of it, dim it down, like so. You can change the color. Quite cool. Okay, let me go back. You can set a different scene. Sort of standard on these sort of apps. So a few predefined scenes there, which is quite cool. Just go through them. Okay, let's go back. Click back on there. Got a timer option. So you can actually schedule it to turn on during a certain time if you wanted to. So if we pick a time there, we can say we want it turning on certain days during certain times, and then we can set it to turn off as well, just by selecting the action we want on there. So quite a straightforward operation there. So there you have it. Quite a cool bit of smart tech here. In fact, it links in with your phone. Let me show it working with the Amazon Alexa and Google Home next. Okay, so let me show how to link this in with the Google Home. So I've got the home icon here on my Android device. Let me click that. And then I'm going to click here at the side and go to Home Control. Once I'm there, I'm going to click on plus and look for Smart Life. Just here. And then I'll put in the login details I used for my ENER-J app. So I used an email address and password on that. And there's a link button. And then after that, you get this, authorize. So I'm just authorizing it. Okay, it's just there. I'll click done. And that's how you can control it. So I'll click understood. What we could do is assign it to a room. So let's say, for instance, dining room. So now, if I go back, close this off, turn on the mic.
The microphone is back on.
Okay, Google, turn on dining room light.
Alright, turning on the Wi-Fi RGB light strip.
So it's connected to it. So obviously it's already on. Let me do, okay Google, turn off dining room light.
Alright, turning the Wi-Fi RGB light strip off.
Okay Google, turn on dining room light.
Sure, turning the Wi-Fi RGB light strip
Okay,
on.
next I'm going to show you how to link up the device with the Amazon Alexa. So we've got our Alexa here. I'll start up the Alexa app. And off camera, let me go to skills. And here you can put in ENER-J. There you go, ENERJSMART. If I click on that and enable, next I can put in my account details. So let me do that off camera. And it's requesting me to authorize the Alexa to use it. So I've clicked authorize and I'll click the X there. Discover devices. Just going to unmute it. Just going to hit discover. It's just 20 seconds. Let's give it some time. There's some of the other lights I've got, and it's found it just there. So from here I can do off, on, and just the brightness obviously as well. It's dimmer, it's brighter. So it's actually called Wi-Fi RGB light strip. Okay, just to make it more usable, let's rename the actual light. And if I do that, delete it, and I can just call it, say, strip light. Click OK, and we'll go back. So now we can say, Alexa, turn off strip light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on strip light.
Okay.
As simple as that. Very easy to set up. Okay, so another thing worth mentioning about this product. So if I start the app on my Android device, I've turned off the Wi-Fi and I'm on the data connection. Quite interesting, without opening ports. I click on there and hit the on, it comes on, and I can turn it off as well. So I'm able to control it without opening any ports on my router. So a great feature to have. So there you go. Hope it's helped anyone thinking of purchasing this. Thanks for viewing, and don't forget to like and subscribe.